We had a person that came in this morning from Argentina. Great guy. He just came in to say thank you. He's been watching our channel on YouTube and he loves the content. He got us a bag of sweets, or I would say bread. They're donut-like. I do not know what they're called, but they are really good. I had some with Big Boss, my dad, along with a cup of tea. Really great stuff. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. It's nice when people come in to say hi. I never let them down. Thank you very much. Thank you again for the bag of sweets. We really enjoyed it. Here we have another Nintendo Switch that came in for no power. Customer said it does not charge, but it looks like he did some work on it. I started working on the board without recording a video, but later I decided that I want to record a video on this. So the first thing I did was I inspected the USB-C area, and we can see that there was some work done on this port. And the other thing is this chip was a mess. When I plugged the USB-C cable, the ammeter would shut off, so it means there's a problem with the board, some type of short. I changed the chip, and after doing so I plugged the USB-C cable in and the ammeter would not go off anymore, but it would not charge. Charging rate is 0 amps. I later discovered that there's a problem with this component. It's a 0 ohm resistor. I replaced it, and now the Nintendo Switch charges normally and everything is good. Still no image on the screen. It does not display anything on the screen. There's more issues with this board. I told Big Boss to take this board out again, and I need to inspect back of the board to see what's going on. As far as the front and the charging circuit, everything is good. Let's go ahead and test it one more time. This component should be continuous, very good. And before, when I first worked on this, we had a short on the caps here. Now if we test, we no longer have a short. 0.5 reading in diode mode, that's perfect. So a new chip and a new fuse here. What's going on here, I do not know. Look at this. But it doesn't look like this chip was changed. I think this is factory soldering. I'm gonna test components in this area, and we don't have a short. No short. I did a video maybe a couple of days ago where we had a short on these components and we ended up changing this IC, but in this case we do not need to do so. I'm gonna flip the board and take a look at the back, and specifically at this area right here. Look at what's going on here. That's our problem. That's our problem right there. This chip is blown. Look at this. There's a big hole here. And this component is blown. This is some type of image filter. We're gonna have to change this and this. I do not know if there's a short of any type on this area of the board. Let me test. Just randomly test. And yes, we have a short here. It's probably the chip that is causing the short. Okay. So let's go ahead and remove the chip. We're gonna remove the component, and we'll get this component off a donor board, and I'll also get this chip off a donor board. I do not know if I have this in stock, but I do have a donor board that we can extract it from. Hopefully the donor board IC is good. We have those ICs on order, and right now we can only get it off a donor board. Let's go ahead and remove the chip. Just apply some flux. This is a big chip, and I have a narrow nozzle. Not very practical, but since we already started, let's remove this chip. And we have to keep track of pin number 1. It should be on the top right. And while at it, let's remove this component also. Just like that. I do not know if we have any ripped pads. and it looks like we do. Let's test to see if we still have a short. Meter in diode mode. And short is gone. The short is gone. Let's prep the board. Let's grab our donor board. And let's put it on the customer's board, right over here. We just want to expose this pad a bit. I'm gonna solder a jumper wire so we can restore that pad. And just like that. Okay, so let's remove this component from the donor board. I mean, these filters, they look different. What's going on? These filters are not the same. This component is not the same. It's a different component. Huh. It's a different component. Let me solder it back on here. I did not know they made two versions of the board. I mean, why are those components bigger than those? What can we do? Let me do some quick testing just to see what the property of this component is. I mean, it looks like they are filters. This is continuous with this, and this is continuous with this. So they are nothing but filters. I'm gonna put a 201 filter here and a 201 filter here, and that should be okay. Let's see if a 201 size will work out. Yes, that's perfect. The size is perfect. I want to test the continuity between this here and this. Very good. And the same thing from here to right here. Yes. So we should be good. We did not have the same component, but this component is made out of two filters. Filters are used to filter out noise at high frequencies, so it doesn't really matter if the value is exact or not, but the filter has to be there. if the filter is not present, it's gonna cut the line. It's gonna be open circuit, and that's not gonna work out. So I replaced the component with 2 filters because that's what the component is, and we replaced the chip. Hopefully everything works out. Chip is soldered on perfectly, everything is good. Okay, so we're gonna give this to Big Boss to reassemble, and hopefully this Nintendo Switch will work. We fixed the charging circuit by changing the IC and the filter, and now we changed the back chip here, which is responsible for image, and we replaced this big component with 2 filters. Let's give it to Big Boss and we'll see. Big Boss reassembled the switch, and guess what? Guess what? It's functional. It's working. So we did a lot of work to this game console. We're gonna invoice the customer and mail it back to him. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll do something else in the next video.